most of the tactics in place since the Columbine school massacre nearly 25 years ago. And he blamed the botched response on the failed leadership of the incident commander, former Uvalde Schools Police Chief Pete Arredondo.
Did the Justice Department ID anyone else as responsible for the failed response?
Besides Arredondo, the report does mention former Uvalde Police Acting Chief Mariano Vargas. The Justice Department says Vargas was not trained to be an incident commander and didn't...
To immigration, Ukraine deal, a lot going on.
Yeah, so it's cinema and linked together, but even if the Senate does get a deal done, right, the question is back to the House, where Speaker Mike Johnson has so far...
Border violence by the group.
That hold water outside of Iran.
Well, certainly the people I've been speaking with say it is entirely plausible, but that doesn't absolve Tehran.